Las Vegas, the city that never sleeps. In this video, we'll talk about the top 10 things to do in Las Vegas, apart from going to the casinos and walking on the strip. We hope you'll enjoy our video. Number 10 is the Las Vegas sign and Las Vegas Archway. The Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas sign is an iconic Vegas landmark and is one of the most photographed sites in the city. This sign was created in 1958 and is located south of Mandalay Bay on Las Vegas Boulevard South. Trip to Vegas is incomplete without visiting this landmark. Las Vegas Archway is recently installed and is 80 foot high, which dangles City of Las Vegas emblem framed by more than 13,000 LED lights. This massive archway is at the opposite end of the strip and is located at the base of Strat Hotel and Casino. Fremont Street is an entertaining area with lots to see and do and is definitely worth a visit. This street is famous for its Slotzilla ziplining, which is a 11-story slot machine-inspired zipline attraction and is one of the best things to do in Las Vegas. Apart from this, Fremont Street is also famous for Viva Vision, which is the largest video screen in the world. Number 8 on our list is the LINQ Promenade, which you can access directly from LINQ Hotel and Casino. The LINQ Promenade is a popular open-air shopping, dining and entertainment district, which is located at the center of the Las Vegas Strip across Caesars Palace and is home to 35 plus restaurants and retail stores. Here you can find great options for food, bars and desserts. The focal point of LINQ Promenade is the High Roller, a 550-foot observation wheel which is tallest in the world, offering 360-degree view of Las Vegas. Las Vegas is home to world-class entertainment and internationally acclaimed shows. With more than 100 shows to choose from, these shows offer breathtaking acrobatics, dazzling choreography, thrilling lighting, along with magnificent music. Cirque du Soleil's longest-running show, Mystere, boasts with exquisite costumes and sets, where you'll see diverse cast of characters performing comedy and drama through aerial stunts and acrobatics. Another favorite show from our list is Wow, the Vegas Spectacular at Rio Las Vegas. Number 6 is one of my favorites, the 7 Magic Mountains. If you drive 10 miles beyond the Sin City walls, you will come face to face with one of the most unique sights, the 7 Magic Mountains. This public art exhibit was built by renowned Swiss artist Hugo Rondinin, and it is free to visit, so you can just show up and enjoy. You can either take a Uber from the strip, which will cost you between $30 to $40, or it might be cheaper to rent a car for a day and combine this with other sites like Las Vegas Sign, Neon Museum, Fremont Street, or the canyons. The Forum Shops at Caesars is an upscale shopping mall connected to Caesars Palace. It is the highest grossing mall in the US, featuring a spiral escalator, one of only 2 in the US. This Roman-themed shopping area features more than 160 upscale shops, including Fendi, Gucci, Chanel, Cartier, and even more. Also, you will find talking statues, an exotic fish aquarium, world-renowned restaurants, and whatnot. The Fountain of the Gods is the central fountain at the Forum shops at Caesars, with statues of Roman Greek gods. Also, this is a great spot for taking pictures. Additionally, at the Forum shops, you can also see the Fall of Atlantis show, which is a display of fire, water, and 9-foot tall talking statues. Number 4 is definitely my husband's most favorite. Rent a convertible and drive on the strip. It was such an amazing experience where you can explore the entire strip with unobstructed view, all the way from Mandalay Bay till Stratosphere. I highly recommend doing this. Even daytime, the drive is beautiful. Number 3 on our list is gondola ride, which is one of the best romantic things to do in Las Vegas. The Venetian Hotel on the Las Vegas Strip has recreated the romantic experience of a gondola ride of Venice in Italy. The rides are offered every day and the visitors can choose between a private 2-person gondola and a shared gondola that seats 4 people. In Venetian, you will also find the Grand Canal shops. That is the Venetian-inspired venue, which is the most iconic, must-see shopping, dining and entertainment destination. Also, there is an indoor and outdoor Venetian gondola rides. Each offers its own unique views, both equally enchanting. One of the most popular attractions in Vegas is the Bellagio Water Show, and the best part is it's free. The show generally starts in the noon and is played every 15 minutes till midnight. The Bellagio Fountains is a magnificent ballet of dancing fountains, choreographed to music and lights, which is simply spellbinding to watch. Another must-see attraction in Bellagio Hotel and Casino is the beautiful glass ceiling in the hotel lobby. This is described as one of the most grand public art statements that has happened in Las Vegas ever. Also, you cannot miss the world's largest chocolate fountain, located at the Bellagio Hotel in Las Vegas. Finally, the number 1 on our list is the helicopter night tour of the Las Vegas Strip. This tour is the fast and exciting way to experience the world-renowned Las Vegas Strip and downtown Las Vegas from the sky. From the Eiffel Tower at Paris to the fountains of the Bellagio, this quick tour is the perfect way where you can see the Sin City from a completely new angle. Before closing out, here is the summary of top 10 things to do in Las Vegas. Also, trip to Vegas is incomplete without gambling at the incredible casinos. We hope you enjoyed watching our video. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also follow us on Instagram to receive daily updates.